Good morning, Nevada Union.
This is the Daily Diggins.
Student Congress. All Student Congress members, representatives, please report immediately to the Science Lecture Hall following the reading of today's bulletin.
College visitation schedules for October are in the library conference room. Please sign up with your counseling assistants.
Okay. Seniors, do you still need a senior portrait for the yearbook? Stop into the student store during lunch, daily through November 5th. Sign up for your senior portrait sitting. To be taken here on campus by a photographer, the cost is $5, cash or money order only. You must prepay in advance. Don't delay, limited space available. Actual portraits will be taken on Wednesday, November 6th and Thursday, November 7th.
Yearbooks are very limited. Order yearbooks in the student store before school passing periods and at lunch. Current prices are $95 without an ASB sticker and $85 with an ASB sticker. Name engraving for an additional $5. Don't delay because there's a limited supply. Cash or money order only.
Wondering what you can find at the student store? During passing periods, you can buy snacks and ice cream. During passing periods and lunch, you can buy clothing, yearbooks, ASB stickers, and window stickers, pencils, locks for pee, lockers, balloons, and many other items. Remember that we only accept cash or money order. Credit, debit cards, and checks are not accepted.
Show your school spirit. Stop by the student store during lunch or passing periods to buy an Ooh, Ah, You Wish You Were a Minor t-shirt for $20, cash or money order only. Current Nevada Union students who wear an Ooh, Ah shirt and bring their current NU student ID to our home sporting events will receive a discount on admission, including football, basketball, and volleyball for all the years you are an NU student. Discount only applies to a student with a shirt and a current NU student ID card.
Attention college college-bound juniors and seniors. Did you miss out on the October ACT test? It's time to sign up for the December 14th ACT test. Register online at www.actstudent.org. The deadline for the registration is November 8th. Late registration with late fee is available from November 9th to the 22nd. Don't miss your opportunity to sign up. Hurry because it fills up very quickly.
Tickets are now on sale for the NUHS theatrical dance production, Dance on Film. This event will be held on Wednesday, November 6th at 6:30 p.m. at the Nevada Theater. Advanced dancers will present 8 student choreographed and directed films. Tickets are only $5 if purchased by November 5th. Get the tickets at the NU Student Store, Briar Patch, The Bookseller, or Harmony Books. For more information, visit www.nevadauniondance.com.
Veni Vidi Vici, the Strategy Club meets today in the library conference room at lunch for chess, Go, and other games of strategy.
Nordic Ski Team Parent Meeting. There will be a meeting for athletes and their parents in E6 at 6 p.m. on Thursday, October 24th. First official practice is Tuesday, November 12th, so get your paperwork finished and equipment reserved. This is a co-ed sport and motivated beginners are welcome.
All girls basketball players planning on trying out should bring themselves and their parents to an informational meeting in J204 tonight at 5:30 p.m. We will discuss tryouts, schedules, and much more.
And that's the Daily Diggins, Miners. Have a great day.
Do, 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 do.